What's going on, guys? Kyle Bradshaw here. I'm in the Rabaconda booth here at the AIM Expo. This tire changer has probably saved me close to $2,000 now since I bought this tire unit. It's just phenomenal. My local shop is charging an hour of their booked labor rate in order to do a tire change, which is 165 bucks. So I'll tell you something right there. It's absolutely crazy. I've done about 35 tire changes in my garage with this awesome kit right here. So when I get done doing a tire change, I fold all this up, throw it in the duffel bag, and then I stick it on the shelf in the garage. It's nice and small, it's compact, it's portable, it's rad. I've also taken it with me on the road and done tire changes out in the field. That's great. And I've taken it to a buddy's house once and did a tire change at his garage because he wasn't able to get the bike over to my house. So many great reasons to have a Rabaconda. Now, I'd like to introduce you to my good buddy Jackson over here.
Mr. Bradshaw.
I met him yesterday, so I don't know if he's that good of a buddy. But
We're buddies. We're buddies. Yeah. I'm Jackson Halsmer, Global Marketing Manager here with Rabaconda.
Anyway, Jackson's going to take us on a walkthrough of some of the new things they have for this year. In all the videos that I do, you guys always see me ending with balancing a tire. Now, there's a lot of guys that don't balance any tires that have knobs, but I gotta tell you from personal experience, if you don't balance a tire, that tire is not gonna perform and it's not gonna wear as well as it should.
Balancing is obviously not completely necessary, but like you said, it's gonna make for a more even ride and it's gonna increase the longevity or lifespan of your tires by upwards of almost 20%.
So, I have a tire balancer in the garage, one I picked up like 20 years ago, and I strongly believe in that. Rabaconda has just, announced. I didn't know about it.
Maybe not announced.
It's here.
We're teasing a little bit.
Teasing?
You could say.
Check this thing out.
After you change the tire for your motorcycle, usually the next step is balancing it. So we've kind of addressed this just because that's been a want from people who's been such a fan of our tire changers to date. We came out with a balancer. So we've got a little static balancer right here. Probably looking at a release date of around May, early summertime. But yeah, very, very smooth bearings. There's a couple of cool things about it. We've got this little kind of magnetic hub right here. So you always
cool.
have track of your Allen keys. And what you see here as well is actually the same thing as right over here. So it's gonna come with a wall mount option.
That's really cool.
Yes.
Or in the trailer.
Correct, or in the trailer,
rad.
That's right. So when you want to balance, get it out. But then when you're ready to kind of have it take up less space, there we go. Now it's out of the way.
Don't recommend dropping your,
Don't recommend dropping your balancer, obviously. But yeah, so that's what that looks like. And
it
also
comes in a matching Rabaconda bag.
matching Rabaconda bag as well.
Sweet.
And you've got your adjustable cones here
What
for hub sizes.
is that?
Yep.
Dude,
Just like
no
everything else,
way.
Rabaconda, pretty well thought out.
So the balance stand that I have at home has these two Allen keys right here. So basically you loosen these and then you slide these two knobs in place. Then you have to push with your thumb really hard on the other side and then tighten up your Allen key.
Yep.
This, if it's what I think it is, you basically set that initial tension and then you can crank this in order to get that super tight dialed
Spot
fit.
on.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Dude, the innovation that Rabaconda does is great. Now, what's your guys' tagline? I love it. Rider developed designs.
Designs. We ride.
These guys, the reason this, dude, I'm telling you my frustration of having to push with your thumb and tighten that thing, these guys fixed that. Dude, it's so rad. I love it. I love the fact that you guys aren't just some engineers that just throw stuff up there.
We really try not to be. We try
You
hard
like
to.
those guys that put air blocks underneath the gas tank? So you gotta take all your plastics and the gas tank off to change an air filter?
No, it's.
Come on, guys.
Yeah, we try not to be like that. So. But
This
yeah.
is really cool. So anyway, new balance stand will be out sometime soon.
Yep.
Man, I can't take it home with me?
Not yet.
That sucks.
Not yet.
Anyway, moving on. What are some other cool tools that you have new for this year that we didn't see last year?
So if you turn around, we've got an all-new tire changer. This is a big one for us.
This is sweet.
So our dirt bike tire changer to date has always been more full-size motorcycle applicable in the sense of adult-sized bikes.
Right.
This is our new mini tire changer. So anything from 10 to 17 inches. And if you haven't had the luxury of changing a 10-inch tire, it's a pain. Just because there's so much less rubber than a normal tire to flex and move. So this is specifically designed from the ground up to make life easier for those 50 cc's, 65s, things like that. So moto dads everywhere can rejoice that there is a better way than the classic 5-gallon bucket.
Well, my kids are ready to graduate from their Stasics to a gas-powered machine, so it's about time for one of these guys right here.
There we go.
There's one thing, I was talking to Tony in the booth yesterday, and I found out that I was doing something not quite correct. It was correct from what I've been doing for years, and that's that little yellow thingy that I use in my videos to keep that tire from walking. He was telling me that you can use your drop center tool for that same purpose. You want to show me how that works over here?
You familiar with our drop center tools? So here.
I love the drop center tools, but I use them differently. So I use them on the back side of the tire in order to keep that tire pushed up on the back side so it doesn't snake down. But Tony says that I could use it here in order to keep the tire from walking.
Yeah, so our drop center tools are fairly straightforward. They're not really proprietary to us. You're already familiar with what they are. But it's 100% plastic, so it's not going to scratch your rim. But what you do during the mounting process is what we recommend is you're going to take your one tire iron here, and at about the 1 or 2 o'clock position, you're going to push the tire into the drop center, and then stick on and mount your drop center tool, just like so. It makes it that much more hands-free. We recommend using one of these guys when mounting a front wheel, or a front tire, excuse me. And then the second one we recommend using for rears, and that one should be mounted at about, this would be the 9 o'clock position or so.
So once you get to this position in the tire install, you now pop that guy in.
That's correct.
Okay,
yep.
sweet.
Yeah, but yeah, very much like another thing that we offer to make life even easier. So yeah.
Now question for you.
Hit me.
At any time in the street bike tire changer process, should we need to use a tire iron on the last little bit?
In theory, the answer is no. But obviously there are some sidewalls and some tires that are just tough, and you're going to need that little bit of extra oomph.
Tusk 2-track. I want to shoot you in the face.
So you know what I'm talking about. Now, to be fair, this machine, you would agree already, has made life much easier.
Dude, it's an amazing machine.
Yeah.
Tips and tricks from Rabaconda. I'm telling you what, the year of ownership that I've had with this thing and the number of tires that I've been able to change, and it's not just the money, it's the time.
Right.
Dude, off the motorcycle, onto the Rabaconda, onto the balancer, and back onto the motorcycle in less than an hour. 2 tire changes, less than an hour.
And would you say after you do a tire change, you feel pretty accomplished?
Dude, it's rad. I can get on and ride my motorcycle. Like
it's pretty cool to be able to have the ownership and the skill to be able to say, yeah, I changed my own tires.
And that's pretty rare these days.
It is.
It's pretty rare.
Yeah.
Now, if I were to take the wheels off the motorcycle, drive them to the shop, wait for the shop to get me in, even if they can just walk in and do it, it's a 3-hour ordeal. It's an hour to the shop, it's an hour for them to do their job, it's an hour for me to get home, and then I still have the 20 minutes to put the wheels back on the bike. Just the time savings alone is huge. Like, oh, dude, tomorrow, my tire, I'm going to go do this ride tomorrow. Okay, sweet. Let me just swap this tire out real quick. It makes it just so much easier.
Right.
It's awesome.
Good.
Anyway, Rabaconda, guys, I love it, and I said last year in my thing, my key phrase is it's a game changer. It really is a game changer. Changing any tires that you want at home in your own garage for free after the 4th or 5th tire change.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
But no, again, it's an expense, but it's a tool. It's a tool, and you're just going to keep using it. And you guys are great. I wore out a piece, and I called them up. I'm like, hey guys, I wore out this piece. They're like, oh, we'll send you a new one. Sweet.
Lifetime warranty.
Just really cool. Just a company that's constantly innovating and designing and changing things and making things even better every single time it goes out the door. It's rad. Thank you.
Yeah. Well, no worries.
Anything else we should know about?
We got a couple other stuff in the works. I don't want to reveal too much, but no, we're like you said, rider developed designs. We ride, and we're always looking to try and find ways to bring more innovative tire changing solutions and tools to the market. So.
Perfect.
Yeah, stay tuned. We got some exciting stuff in the works. I can't really say much more than that.
That's perfect.
Right now. So
perfect. Anyway, if you guys want to get a Rabaconda, obviously you can order from Rabaconda.com, or you can go to my links down below. I got a link for this tire changer at Rocky Mountain and at Amazon. I get affiliate dollars from both those people if you guys make a purchase. So if you'd like to use those, that would be great. I really appreciate it. Anyway, I'm Kyle. This here is my new friend Jackson. And this is the Rabaconda that you need in your garage. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, take care and ride safe out there.